Hello, this is George, Florida Railroad Dog from the Roman Rico Railroad. I've been getting a lot of questions on how to build these kits that I make, and I want to show you, I want to start a series on building instructions so you could just watch the video and follow along and see how I make my buildings as easy as possible to put together. Yeah, they have to be glued, they're not snap-on, but they come in together pretty easy. This is the Chick-Fil-A, which is going to be number one in the series. Since I just completed it and got a couple sales, I'm going to show you guys how to put it together. Well, let's get to it. Now, when you open up your box and you're going to see it all wrapped up, it's going to look like this, a bundle of stuff. Don't be overwhelmed. It's fairly easy to put together. First thing you're going to do is you're going to find the base, which is going to be this gray piece. It's going to have this lip around it, and that's what's going to hold the bottom walls. Once you glue it, it'll hold the bottom walls together. You're going to locate the first brown bottom wall, and you're going to glue it flush to the outside of the lip of the base. You're going to get the front wall, and you're going to glue it flush to the bottom of the base. The second piece I like to build, it's going to be the 10 main walls, and this will glue flush to the bottom walls. Then you have the brown trim piece. Glue that there. Third would be this other 10 top wall. You glue it there. Then you would get the Chick-Fil-A cupola, as I call it, and you glue it there. I'm not going to glue this one. This is a customer's. Then the next step would glue the beams on each side. That will cover up those holes. Then you find these little beam caps and you glue them to the top of the beams. Next step would be the cupola roof. Glue it. Oops. Once you get all that done, you can get the signs and you will glue them right to the front of the cupola, the Chick-Fil-A building. You have the windows and the doors. These should snap right in once everything is glued. Snap right in. The doors, you're going to see there's the door, and then there's going to be a smaller piece which is going to go just like this into the opening. That will snap right into place too. You have the main building put together. You could get the counters and the booths that come with the kit, and you could glue them in there. Do whatever you got to do. Put trimmings on the windows, people, whatever needs to be done. And then you can either glue or just sit the roof into place, and you're done with the main building. The next step would be building the sign, the Chick-Fil-A sign. Oops. This sign comes together, not together, separated. You glue back to back. Then you glue to the T brace, and then you just snap this right in, and you're all set. And here she is, completely built and ready to display on your layout. Well, I hope you find this tutorial helpful. These kits are not that hard to build. They're real easy. Leave me some comments, any ideas, any changes that I need to make. Happy railroading.